Hey, what's up, guys? I just got the new Gateway FX 6800, I think 01E. Has the Core i7 processor, not GTX, ATI HD 4850. Not the best power supply, 500 watt. That's really not that nice. But I'm just gonna open it for you guys, because everyone on YouTube loves watching people open stuff. I guess it makes you feel like you're part of it. I guess I don't know. I'm guilty of it too. I like it. Packaging's nice, but I mean, it's it's a computer. If you spend $1,000, it should come in something better than a brown paper bag. So, oh well, to open this way, it's got directions on opening. Probably for those Obama supporters, but okay. Setup guide for people that don't know how to, I guess, can't color coordinate or something. I don't know.
Wow, whatever could that be?
I don't know. Let's find out. Keyboard, pretty nice keyboard. Will be replaced, but how that works. Let's see what other stuff's here on the side. I'm assuming we've got manuals and such, power cables, mouse. Oh, nice. DVI to HDMI, DVI to VGA. That's pretty nice. Power cables. Oh, and let's see what else is down here. I'm assuming this is the speakers. Glad I got speakers. I won't have to use my headset. Yeah, speakers, cable, da-da-da-da. No point showing that. Having to put it back in the box. Okay, the computer. It's packaged pretty nicely. No dings or anything. See if I can actually get it out of here now. Get it out of the box. Wow. Oh, okay, there's the front. God. They don't want this thing moving around in here, but I mean, you should be glad they do that. Out of here now, finally. Really not much to grab in here. Okay. Slide the box.
Apparently you never dated a fat chick.
Nice. Pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. Wow, they actually put, not only is it in this, most of the places has the anti-scratch wrap, which is very nice. As you see, it's got a side fan, or vent mesh. Look at the back. Of course, power supply, which like I said, 500 watt. Not very good. It's like a normal back. It's got a fan. I don't even think it has any fans in the front. It might. I don't know. Nice. Nice. Okay, and that's it. Have a video later of it all hooked up, ready to go. Maybe playing Crysis, I don't know, something. See you guys later.
Step back so you can see the finished thing.